Want to see your Instagram profile picture in full detail? Here's a simple way to enlarge it and get a closer look within a few taps. But first, don't forget to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to enlarge Instagram profile picture. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Instagram does not allow you to enlarge it directly here. However, if it is someone else's profile picture, you can use a web tool through your browser. First, open the Instagram app on your device and tap on the search icon and search the username of the person you want to view on the search bar. Tap on their profile. In their profile page, tap the three dot icon at the top right corner and select Copy Profile option. Now go back to your home screen. Then open a browser on your device. Tap on the search bar. In the search bar, search InstaDP and hit the search button. Now tap on the first search result that appears in the screen. In the search bar of the side, paste the copied link of the person whose profile picture you want to enlarge. Then tap the search option. Now either you can view the image or download the image. Select according to your preference. The website will show you a larger version of the profile picture, which you can then zoom in. So this is how to enlarge Instagram profile picture. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.